Hi everybody. Today I'm going to tell you the winner of my little giveaway that I had contest of who everybody that was my subscribers got to be in it, and I chose one winner, and the winner got a package sent to them. It's already been sent out. She has notified me she has received it. She will do a video response of everything she got so everybody can see, and the winner was Makeup Junkie 18. And Makeup Junkie 18 says she liked everything she's got. She's gonna review it soon, she said, so everybody can see what I sent. And in the other contests that I do in the future, I might do another one soon, but I like to know what people would like to try to win. Give me some ideas, like do you want makeup, do you want a hair product, do you want clothes, gift cards? Let me know so I have an idea, and if you're interested in being in it, let me know that you don't care if you being in any future contests that I have, because I like to do another one, but I don't want to send something if somebody's not going to like it, or they're not, or if I draw a name, they're going to, not be interested. So I just wanted to say who the winner was. Once again, it's Makeup Junkie 18. I'm glad she got a package and she enjoyed it, and we'll soon see her review that she's going to be sending of everything that I gave her, and if she likes it or don't like it. And if you have any other ideas for contests, let me know. I'll be more than glad to come up with another contest. Or if you have any other ideas for any other makeup products somebody wants, I already have two comments that somebody wants me to do. Two people want me to do the one for makeup brushes, how to clean them. I said I'd be more than glad to do that. I will do that soon so everybody can see that. And if anybody's wondering what's on my lips, I'm wearing Crush by Avon. So, yeah, just have a nice day, chill out, respond to, contests, any videos you want me to do. Maybe I'll do an outfit of the day soon if anybody's interested in that. I know people do it out there, but I don't know if anybody's interested in them or not, and just let me know what you want to see. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.